How to sign in to YouTube. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to sign in to YouTube. Begin by launching any browser on your device. In the browser search bar, type youtube.com to access the official YouTube website. Once you hit enter, you will be greeted with the familiar YouTube interface. On the YouTube homepage, you will find sign in option prominently displayed. Click on it to initiate the sign in process. Unlike standalone YouTube accounts, signing into YouTube requires a Google account. If you don't have one, you will need to create a Google account. If you do, click on sign in. A list of Google accounts will appear. Choose the Google account associated with your YouTube preferences. Click on it to proceed. After selecting your Google account, you will be prompted to enter your password for verification. Type in your password and click Next. After a brief moment, you will see that you have successfully signed in to YouTube using your Google account. The familiar YouTube homepage now reflects your personalized content. Now that you're signed in, explore the vast world of YouTube with access to your subscriptions, playlist, and recommend content tailored just for you. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.